All right, guys, to get into Japan, you're going to need to get the My SOS app. And basically, this is going to you're going to have to fill out a questionnaire. It's going to scan your passport. And yep, so this is going to let you get into Japan really quickly. I think typically it takes about 30 minutes to clear customs. And you don't have to bring your actual paperwork. Just make sure you upload everything into here, and then you'll get through quickly. So just go ahead, if you have a Apple, then you go to Apple Store, download it. I have an Android, so I'm gonna download it from Play. And yep, just download it. So yeah, go ahead and read all the terms if you can. Go down. I did this already, so I'm not gonna read through it. Agree. Agree. I'm in the United States. And click done. Done. Sure. Confirm. Okay. Yes. Confirm. Accept. Confirm. So right here, you're going to enter your passport number again, date of birth again, your first name, surname, and then your last name, given name. It's going to say registration is complete. Click OK. And then you're going to go to pre-registration quarantine procedure. Click on that. So the current status is going to say not registered yet. So you are going to click right here. You're going to have to register, upload your passport first. So you're going to click on passport. Click on that. You're going to browse. And you're going to take a picture of it. All right. Once you upload it, you're going to register it. And then you're going to select your language right here with the down arrow. English on the top. And then you go read over this and then respond to the questionnaire. Click that. And then enter the date that you're entering Japan. And then your airline company name and the flight number. Then you're gonna have to click on you gotta fill out the seat number as well. And then, yep, that's the next page. Next page is the information on where you're staying in Japan. So you're gonna need an address. Either it's your Airbnb or a hotel. This was a little confusing to me, so I just, clicked as close as I could of the address. At the end of it, where I was staying, it was Tokyo. And it's in Shinjuku, so I just put Shinjuku. In the town, Shinjuku again. And then I entered the address. And this is a hotel, so I put in the hotel. Next page is going to be, if you live outside of Japan, enter the information on your plans for departing from Japan. So I'm leaving on, just enter the time you're leaving, airport, flight number. If you're using a ship, I flew in, so I'm not using a ship, I'm not docking anywhere. So I'm going to enter that information for the plane. This part was a little confusing to me too. Because there's 3 of them, but I mean, I didn't go anywhere. The only place I came from was America. So I put in United States. And then make sure you click on state right here too, because that kept giving me a red that I didn't complete it. So I'm coming from California. I click California. and that should suffice. And then this is just questions, whether you've contacted anybody with symptoms, coughing. Nope. Have you been infected? Nope. Have you been coughing, fever? No, no, no. Nope, I have nothing, so I'm not going to click on anything. I'm on any medication? No. Next. And over here, you're just going to enter your email address and confirm it here. Next page, you're going to enter your phone number where you can be reached in Japan if the email doesn't go through, so they're just going to give you a call. And then there's also emergency contact that you can enter in here as well. After you're done with that, you're going to have to click over here to update your vaccination certificate. So put will submit. So you're going to put yes, it's written in English or Japanese. And then you're going to enter the dates well, actually not the dates, the type of vaccination you got. You're going to need 3 of them. If you don't have 3, then you're going to have to show a negative test within 72 hours. So, and then you're going to have to put the date of your 3rd vaccination here. And then also, yeah, so the last one, if you have all 3 of these, you're not going to have to fill out the bottom one. So yes, the vaccination certificate you are about to register, certificate of the person registered with the app. So just saying, yes, you're the same person that you're uploading the certificate for the vaccination. Yep, so after you fill out all this, just click next. And then you register. After you submit this, it will take about 40 hours depending on their flight date for them to review your file. You'll get a blue page that indicates that you're good to go and you can clear customs. And that's pretty simple. That's it. Leave a comment if you had any questions.